Hey guys, so today I have a new hair review for you guys. I found this online on Sensationnel. I was just browsing around for some of their new products, new wigs to try, and I am missing having straight hair, and I saw this wig and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to try it because it's so cute. Like, look at the model, she looks so cute. Curls Kinks and Co. Y'all know I did that other review with the, what's it called? I forgot what she was called, but I messed that hair up. And this one, I'm gonna take my time because this hair is cute and like I can't mess this up, okay? So hopefully this goes as planned. I'm gonna take this out the box for you guys so you can see. I got the color 2, and this style is called the Rainmaker. So I guess, you know, like, what happens to your hair when it rains outside? But it's cute, and you got little curls at the end. It's a half wig too, so let's take her out. Oh, look at these little curls, so cute. It's like so cute and innocent. I don't know. I'm trying to feel with these curls, so I'm just gonna fluff it just a little bit. But look at the curls at the bottom. Yeah. And then half wig, so got your comb at the top. And then comb at the bottom, and it also has adjustable straps, and I don't know if you can see the inside of the cap, but it's breathable. So yeah, I'm gonna put this bad baby on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put the wig on. Y'all know I had to put my lashes on too. And I fixed my eyebrows because they was a little rusty. But I love this wig. My hair was already stretched in the front, so I really didn't have to do much. I left like very little leave out. Like, as you can see, this is about how much leave out I left. And I just like pulled it out and then like blended really well. So I literally just like pull some of my hair out that's already stretched, and it blends. This is my real hair, and see my real hair right here, and I go put it in this. It just blends. Like, I didn't even have to do anything to it, and it's like this wig just makes the hairstyle so effortless. I did curl my hair a little bit up here. I don't know, I didn't really know what I was doing. I don't really curl my hair, but it's like giving me like, what's that, the 80s? I don't know what time period that is. But like, I should be wearing a big poodle skirt, but like a big pink skirt with poodles on it. And I should be like roller skating somewhere. I don't know. That's what I feel like. But yeah, I did separate the curls a little bit. I'll show you the back. Yes, okay. And then if you guys are familiar with how half wigs work, I just wanted to like do a quick little style so you see how flexible half wigs can be. Do like half up, half down. This is a poor half up, half down, by the way. But yeah, I probably could do even a bun if I wanted to. Oh my goodness, okay. I don't know what the heck is going on right here. Yeah, it feels like I don't know how to describe it, but Yeah, you probably shouldn't be pulling your fingers through it, really, but it's like a yucky texture, I guess. Like a yucky, but like blown out yucky texture, if that makes sense. I don't know. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you're not subscribed, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you to all my supporters and my subscribers for getting me to 1,500. Oh my goodness, we're so close to 2,000. Tell your friends, tell your grandma, tell your auntie, tell your sister, tell your baby cousin to hit that subscribe button on my channel. Thank you for supporting me, guys. Also, please go support my new vlog channel that I'm doing with my boyfriend. I will put it right here. Yeah, make sure you go check out our video. We'll have more videos coming soon. But go subscribe to that channel as well. Yeah. Let me know what y'all think about this hair, and I'm gonna leave some links below as to where you can purchase it and how much that I paid for it. And I got this in the color 2, again, just in case you didn't catch it the first time I said it. Look at my hair, it's not staying. But yeah,